Hello, my name is Margarita Lopez Medina, and I'm going to present my poster entitled Comparison of the Elastocaloric Effect in Nickel-Manganese Gallium alloys with different crystal structure of the martensitic phase. This research was developed at EPSIC. Shape memory alloys are a unique class of alloys that can be apparently deformed plastically when stressed, but will return to the original shape when heated. And this feature is directly related to the martensitic transformation. It is a solid-state first-order transition that has a displacive nature. It means that there are no atomic diffusion, and it involves a homogeneous deformation. Recently, the global energy demand for refrigeration and air conditioning has increased. This is mainly due to weather conditions. For this reason, solid-state refrigeration has been investigated to replace conventional refrigeration technology. Solid-state refrigeration is mainly based on caloric effect of shape memory alloys. For this work, the alloy's composition was adjusted to obtain 5M and 7M modulated martensite structure at room temperatures. Polycrystalline nickel-manganese gallium alloys were prepared by arc melting from high-purity metals, then were heat treated at 1073 Kelvin for 24 hours. Samples were analyzed by differential scanning calorimetry and X-ray diffraction. The length curve as function of the temperature were obtained in a laboratory-built compression equipment, and then from these curves the elastocaloric effect was calculated. In this figure, we can see calorimetric curves for both alloys. It can be seen that the martensitic temperature range is above room temperature. Therefore, in the next figure, the diffraction patterns obtained at room temperature correspond to the martensite phase in both alloys. The first alloy was indexed with the diffraction pattern for a monoclinic crystal structure known as 5M. The second one was indexed with the diffraction patterns for 7M monoclinic structure. Figure 3 shows the isothermal entropy change for the two alloys. The maximum values of isothermal entropy change obtained for the 5M alloy were 1.91 and 1.83 joules per kilogram Kelvin during cooling and heating when applying 10 megapascal. For the 7M alloy, the maximum values were 0.19 and 0.26 joule per kilogram Kelvin during cooling and heating when applying 10 megapascal. For this alloy, additional values of 0.44 and 0.57 joule per kilogram Kelvin during cooling and heating were obtained when applying up to 18 megapascal. The inset in figure 3 shows that the isothermal entropy change increases as function of the applied stress. Finally, for application in solid-state refrigeration, the most important behavior is the reversible elastocaloric effect of shape memory alloys. In this case, as can be seen in figure 4, the reversible entropy change is higher in the 7M alloy than in the 5M alloy. These results are directly related to the thermal hysteresis of the alloys and the displacement of the transformation temperature as function of the applied stress. The conclusion was Contrary to expectation, the isothermal entropy change in 7M was lower than in 5M alloy. However, its reversible elastocaloric effect was higher. Therefore, 7M alloy could be expected to be more useful than 5M for solid-state refrigeration. The authors acknowledged to CONACYT and EPCYT for this work.